What's up, guys? Welcome back. Obito with his broken mask. I don't know. This is like a fan art, I think. And I found like a couple of Instagram pages that they all had it. And they all had their name assigned to it. So I'm not sure who the original drawer of this was. So whoever this is, full credit. It's cool. Found one that like had the hands that way, and then one that didn't, and then there was one without the mask. But let's try it anyway. Landscape page. Use a pencil, use an eraser. Hit pause if I go too fast. So it's mostly his face, right, from the top of my page to the bottom. So I'm gonna start with the sort of shape for the mask first. I'm gonna just mark the top of it, just here, just so we get the scale. His chin is like way down here. Okay, so it's all his head, right? Like his hair will be like here. So then his eyes are there down. So let's start with the bottom half first. We'll go up this way. And we'll go up here. So we have, that's like the jaw area, and then the split in the mask like comes down here and then underneath his eye. So I'll just extend this a little bit. So this is like the top half. Like the shape for his mask, it's like a balloon. Do you know that kind of shape? Okay. So you can see it now. I'll close this off actually while I'm here. So this just comes down like so. Okay. So if you finish that, it would look kind of like a balloon or an egg, another sort of shape, upside down egg. And then we'll go for this crack, right? And you just, it's kind of random. Right, and about down at this section where I stopped the jaw, kind of where his ear is, it starts to curve underneath his eye. Like a fly. It'll curve around sort of that way. Okay. Just anywhere, like the eye will be in there. And I'll just make this like a little bit 3D. So I'll just go around it again and add some lines to the top of that. Okay, so side of his face and ear and stuff is here. So we'll just bring the side of his face and then these sort of hair spikes that come along here. Just let us know, keep everything in the same spot. There's a long hair spike. And then his ear is just that. We'll try for his eye, just in here. So we'll go just like here, kind of in line with this. Go diagonal. Across the top. This top eyelid, and then in Naruto they usually spike down this way. And then we'll go with the bottom eyelid line just here. And then his Mangekyo Sharingan eye just here, half circle coming down from the top eyelid. And then the pupil somewhere in the center. Now his pupil is not black, it's red, right? And then we'll go down there and then spike back. And just thicken the end of that up. His Mangekyo is like hooks. you know. And this one goes that way and hooks back. And then just widen up the end of it, like so. Right, so he's frowning real heavy, so you go a check mark just here, back that way. And then the inside. And then his like eyelid line. Kind of a nose line starting here. And then he has those bags around his eye. This is the markings that kind of start then the scar tissue kind of thing. Is that a hair spike or I'm not sure. There's another line there. Basically scar tissue like that. Right, we'll finish his hair. So behind his one here, and then there's some behind his ear. Some behind his neck as well, kind of down there somewhere. Right, so we'll stay going. In there. So his Renegan eye. So we'll do it's kind of like cross here, right? And the circle is kind of down that way. So we'll go like that shape. It's got like a little lip inside. Right, and what we can see at the top of his eyelid, so just across here, and then the bottom. And then the Renegan. So again, it's just like a load of circles. Wait, the Renegan normally has a black pupil, doesn't it? Yeah, I'm gonna make mine black. It's not black in the picture. But now, the center of the mask, for the first circle of it is there. And then these circles go around. Now, if you've like stencils for circles or a cup or a plate or something, or a compass, you know, feel free to use them. But we'll just start adding these. Now, they go like around each time. And we have another eye marking up here. Like that, and then again there's like little edge lines just to make it look a bit 3D. And then we'll go again for these circles. So we'll go around. This one goes into the eye and out the other side. And the rest will go like off the mask and back in, right? So say like this next one will go off the mask, back in. Like that. So then that comes off and then back in down here. I think that's it. Right, so then there's like all cracks and stuff. So like little sort of cracks on his mask. Like there's like little black triangles that show there's like bits of the mask broken. And you can do as many of these as you'd like. You can destroy it as much as you'd like, crack it up as much as you'd like. And obviously most of the cracks come from this part because this is where it's like broken the most. Okay, so then we can see his neck. Just coming down this way. And then the collar, so his big collar, so it just comes around, goes down, and the other side is kind of torn a bit. It's like a zipper or something on that side. Line there, and then this has like an edge, and then the tall collar, and his shoulder off the page. And on this side, he's got a torn part over his shoulder here. And now all that's left is his weapon, the handle of his weapon, and some of the headband stuff. So you can go around, down, something else there. It all seems to flow off this way, so it goes behind his weapon somewhere there, and there's another one. Okay, so handle of the weapon. So it's like it's kind of bumpy, right? Because there's all bandage wrapped around. Comes around there. And then it's got that long chain, but we'll do like some of these bandage lines, just straps kind of coming around it. And then we have the chain, right? So there's like a top part. Right, and a chain comes out from a hole here. That's a long thing. And it's got these interlinking sort of parts to them. And I know chains are very difficult to draw, so. Then that goes down. Okay. Right, I'll just finish off all these headband lines now in behind. Okay. Obito. Crack mask. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.